Okay, sir, now the next thing what we require to discuss, almost we are at the end of insert operation, right? Okay, have you remembered we covered multiple insert methods? Yes, anyone, can you please remind once? Insert one, insert many, and then insert. Okay, these are three insert methods with the examples we covered. Okay, like, and after completing that, how you can insert documents from javascript file. Inserting documents from javascript file by using load function. Have you remembered? By using load function, can you please insert documents from javascript file? Okay, next, inserting documents, inserting documents from json file by using. Okay, have you remembered, right? Okay, json file from by using mongo import tool or utility. Mongo import tool or utility, like, sir, at this stage I asked, have you remembered, anyone did how to import documents from excel or from csv file? Anyone succeeded for that? Yes, anyone succeeded how to import from excel or how to import from csv file? Anyone succeeded? Yes, friends. Yes, no, not yet tried. Something like, I want to learn something from you people. Okay, next, so better to try. Okay, try at least today. Next, we have to talk about, we discussed about nested documents. Nested documents we covered. Next, erase in collections. Erase in collections. Even we covered this one also. Erase in documents. Happily you can add erase also, we can use erase also, we can use, sir, in documents. Okay, like, next, we covered about object id. Have you remember, right? Even we covered, sir, a beautiful discussion what we did related to object id. Sir, now the next cinema what we have to discuss, up to these things we covered already, right? Okay, related to the insertion. Okay, the next cinema what I have to talk about, sir, ordered insertion. Next, write the concern, write the concern. Next, atomicity. If we complete these things, then we are ready to go for next operation. So c we completed already. Next, r means retrieve operation, find operation of you can do that part we have to discuss. But anyway, so these three things, let me talk about this. So now, what is ordered insertion? Ordered insertion in bulk insertion, right? Ordered insertion in bulk inserts. In bulk inserts. What is the meaning of, this one, sir? It is a very simple terminology. Please take a bit very special care about this. Suppose here, assume that I have in the database, let me consider show collections, alphabets, cars, employees is there, sir. Now let me delete the db dot sir alphabets, db.alphabets dot drop line. Sir, it is deleted. Next, db dot cars dot drop. Okay, like, these two the collections I deleted, right? Now my question is, sir, assume that I want to insert, I want to insert documents into, okay, which collection is alphabets collection? Okay, assume already I'm in durga db collection. In the alphabets, all durga db database, in the alphabets collection, I want to insert some documents. I want to insert some documents. So like, so for this I'm trying to use bulk insert means, so we require to use either insert or insert many. Have you remembered, right? Either insert or insert many we can use, because it is always going to take, yes, an array of documents. Can you please confirm? Yes, any doubt about this? Okay, this is we covered already, we covered already, right? Okay, so this part we have to insert. let me take a small example. db dot db dot alphabets dot insert or insert many I'm trying to take. Now here just I'm trying to take a is apple, okay, like I'm trying to take. Next b is b for banana, like I'm trying to take. Next here just observe that, because these symbols are very important. Okay, here this is the first document, this is the second document. Next and after that here c for cat, like I'm trying to take. C for cat, like I'm trying to take. Okay sir, this is the thing what I'm trying to take. Okay, let me keep uniformity here. Just can you please confirm, are you facing any difficulty to understand this part? Respond, is it valid or not? Array, in the alphabets collection, can you please insert these documents? How many documents I'm trying to insert? How many documents I'm trying to insert? Three documents. All these three documents happily will be inserted. There is no problem at all. Yes, it will be inserted first, and then it will be inserted next, and then it will be inserted next. So means, sir, three documents will be inserted successfully. Okay. Now have a look once. Yes, here uncaught exceptions index. Maybe am I doing any mistake? Yes, here there is a small mistake is there, because here okay, like now parenthesis I have to take. Now observe that. Now have a look once. Happily three documents inserted. Acknowledged true. Insert IDs. Three documents inserted. Clear for you people, right? Okay, Sir Sandeep, just usually the terminology, it is the JavaScript object. Okay, sometimes because if we know MongoDB database clearly, I can use the word it is one document, it is another document, it is another document, like every curly brace. This part I can use the word it's a document generally, but strictly speaking, it is the JavaScript object. Remember carefully, right? Now a collection of documents I want to insert into so and so collection. Okay, a group of documents I want to insert into so and so collection. Okay, in JavaScript it is called array of JavaScript objects. If you want, what is this word? Technical word is so within square bracket, if you are taking anything, it is an array of JavaScript objects. JavaScript objects. So we can't use the word it is a collection. Next, this one is a document, like but because MongoDB injected in our brain, MongoDB injected, so injected like anything. That's why, okay, even it is a JavaScript object, we are always using the word in the document, first document, second document, third document interchangeably. But strictly speaking, yes, it is a JavaScript object. Clear, right? Database terminology, I can use the word in the document, but JavaScript side, it is JavaScript object. Observe that. But anyway, interchangeably, anything you can take. So now, where is the proof? Really, all the three documents inserted or not? Okay, db dot alphabets dot find, that's all. Now observe that, yes, three documents inserted in our database, no problem at all. Okay, like because this is the small document, only one key value per right, that's why pretty is not required. Directly I'm trying to take like this. Clear? Are you people are feeling comfortable about this terminology, right? Okay, what is the meaning of bulk insert? This is called bulk insert, sir. So we are trying, we can perform insert operation. We can perform insert operation. Okay, like this is nothing but what? Bulk insert. Okay, like sir, usually how we can perform insert, how we can perform bulk inserts. Either by using what is the which methods we can use? Insert many or insert methods. So an array of documents will be inserted into the collection. An array of documents documents will be inserted into the collection. An array of documents will be inserted into the collection, right? Okay, so it's always going to take, it's always going to take array of collection as the argument, and it will all documents present inside given array, all documents present inside given array will be given array will be all documents present inside given array will be inserted into collection. Clear, right? This is the more meaningful word. Array in the given array, all documents will be inserted into the collection. Yes, this is the example. This is nothing but what? Bulk insert. Bulk insert. Now, what is the meaning of ordered? This one you require to take a bit very special care about this one, sir. So now here just observe that what is the default behavior of bulk inserts. Okay, default behavior default behavior of bulk inserts. Now take very special care about this one, sir. What I'm trying to take is, okay, listen carefully, right? Okay, just I'm trying to take here, just observe that db dot cars. This time I'm taking cars. Assume that db dot cars dot insert many or insert, simply you can take insert also, no problem, insert or insert many. Now I'm trying to take, is it possible to provide sir object id manually? Possible or not? Can you please confirm? Is it possible or not? Yes, possible. So with the what field we can provide? Underscore id is 100. Any type of value you can take, no problem at all. Okay, like next it is the cars, right? M. Okay, I'm using the word, it is m. Okay, like M for Maruti. Okay, just I'm trying to take M for Maruti, like I'm taking, sir, this is my first document. Okay, observe that it is my first document. Now second document I'm trying to take, id is 200. Okay, a for rd, okay, like I'm trying to take. Next third document I'm trying to take, id is a 3. B for, okay, bench car, like I'm trying to take, sir. Please confirm, is it valid or not? If I insert this one, is it going to be inserted or not? Yes, why not? Definitely it's going to be inserted, right? Now my question is, observe carefully, right? What my requirement is, it's going to insert. Suppose if I can take here id value is what? 100. Here id value is 200. Here id value is the 300. Now id is again 100 I'm taking, sir. Can you please tell, is it valid or invalid? Is it possible? Is it possible to insert like this? No. Because the reason for that is, sir, duplicate id is not possible. Duplication of id is not possible. That's why. So while inserting this one, there is a problem we will get. Now my question is, if I execute this as it is, how many documents will be inserted? 0 or 1 or 2? If I insert like this, how many documents will be inserted? 0, 1 or 2 or 3? 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. 3. Because 3 documents are there, right? So what is the answer we are going to get? Yeah, please confirm. Now, in the bulk insert, what will happen? That's what I have to talk. So this one, I'm sure it is not going to be inserted. It is not going to be inserted because the reason for that is duplicate id. That's why not possible. So after this, if I use a db dot cars dot find, if I can take how many documents are there, please confirm. What the answer we are going to get now? This one I don't know. You have to tell either 0 or 1 or 2 or 3. Yes. Either 0 or 1 or 2 or 3, because that is the very important terminology. That is the default behavior. I told, right, I'm not taking any extra care. That's why it is the default behavior, right? Okay, so take very special care. Okay, take a bit very special care. Some people are telling 0 meaningful because While inserting something, an error came. That's why it is the zero meaningful. Okay, some people are feeling. Some people are feeling, sir, anyway, first document will be inserted. After that, the problem came. That's why the rest of the things are not going to be inserted. The rest of the things are not going to be inserted. That's why only this one is going to be inserted. Some people are going to feel like this. Okay. Next, some people are going to feel, sir, anyway, the problem with the second one. So why the third is not going to insert? Yes, definitely 1 and 3 will be inserted. Only this particular thing is not going to be inserted. That's why 2 is the answer. Like some people are going to feel 0, 1, 2, but 3 no chance at all. Let me remove this one. Okay, please confirm again. What about your answer? Yeah, 0 or 1 or 2. Again, can you please guess something? Okay, I'm ready to tell what will happen internally. Don't worry at all. Now 0 or 1 or 2. What the answers are? Remember that. Excellent, excellent. So what is the default behavior? Yes, while performing bulk insert operation, if any document insertion fails, rest of the documents won't be inserted. Rest of the documents won't be inserted. Okay, but the documents which are already inserted will be available in the database and won't be rollbacked. Okay, remember this one, sir. Won't be rollbacked. The documents which are already inserted happily will be there in our database. Okay, no problem. But after this fail, remaining things are not going to be inserted. Order is important. In bulk insert, order follows automatically. Remember carefully, right? Sir, now observe very carefully the point. While performing bulk insert operation, bulk insert operation, if any document insertion fails, if any document insertion fails, then rest of the documents won't be rest of the documents won't be inserted. Remember this one. That is in bulk insert, order followed. So in bulk insert, that is in bulk inserts, in bulk inserts, order is important. Remember this one, sir. Order is important. So while performing bulk insert operation, if any document insertion fails, then rest of the documents won't be inserted. That is in bulk inserts, order is important. Next, the documents which already inserted, which are already inserted won't be rollbacked. Yeah, that's why these things are there. Okay, like so only first one is there, but the remaining two things are not going to be inserted. Please take a bit very special care. Let me execute this one and let me show this, is it really is going to be happen or not. Okay, now observe that. Now observe this one. 1 minute, 1 minute. Why? Okay. Yeah. Here just DB cars dot insert many. Yes, observe that. How many documents are inserted? Can you please confirm? How many documents are inserted? Only one document. Only one document. Next, so error came while inserting which document? Write errors. Error came while inserting which documents are? Yes, while inserting A is RD means index 1. Index 1. Second, index 1 means a second element. Index 0 means first. While index 1, the problem is going to come. Clear? Are you feeling comfortable, right? Okay. So bulk insert operation, what will happen? That's all. This is what you people should aware. If I execute this code, okay, what is the output? Already you saw this one, sir. Now let me print how many documents are there? db.cars db.cars find done pretty. Okay, pretty like this I'm taking, sir. Can you please observe how many documents are there? Only one document. Only one document is there. Now I hope the terminology is clear. What is the default behavior? Yes, friends, I respond. What is the meaning of default behavior? I hope it's clear for you people, right? Not required to keep any explanation, right? Now my question is, so I want to customize this behavior. Okay, customize this behavior. I want to do that. Can we use any exception handling technique? No. Midun, if we are doing this type of insert operations in the program, then we can have exception handling mechanism. Remember this one, sir. Next, if we use insert instead of insert many, the same thing is going to be happen. Either insert or insert many, the same thing is going to be happen, sir. Remember carefully. So up to this, it is a very clear for you people, right? Okay, we can customize this behavior. Is it possible to customize this behavior or not? Okay, we can customize. We can customize this behavior like so how you can customize here. If one insert, if one document insertion fails, one document insertion fails, still the remaining documents will be inserted. The remaining documents will be inserted. Okay, like if one we can configure in such a way, we can customize, in such a way, that if one insertion, if one document insertion fails, still the remaining documents can be inserted. Have you observed, right? Like this we can do that, sir. Okay, no problem. Why the remaining documents has to wait? We can customize this behavior. We can. So are you in the position to understand? Array, when which document insertion failed, second document insertion fails, sir. Even second document insertion fails, sir. No problem, right? Can you please insert the third document? How you can do this? For this we have to use ordered property. What is that? Can you please tell? Ordered property. Okay, like ordered property. How to use this one, sir? Very simple. Ordered property, how you can use is, just take a bit very special care. Okay, first document, second document, okay, dot, okay, multiple documents are there. So this here, the total is only one argument or not? Can you please confirm? Array, insert or insert many, the total is only one argument or not? Yes, only one argument. But now you can specify second argument also. Now you can specify second argument also. How you can specify this second argument is, okay, here we have to take ordered is false we have to take. Okay, ordered is false we have to take. What is the default value for ordered is true, sir. Okay, the default value for ordered is true, sir. Is true, boss. Order follow like but here ordered is false means even one document insertion fails, so still the rest of the documents will be inserted. If order is false, if order is false, so what will happen? If one document insertion fails, then the remaining documents will be inserted, no problem at all. So even if still one document insertion fails, still one rest of the documents will be inserted without any problem. If you want this behavior, then we require to go for ordered is false. Okay, maybe a chance to ask in the interview room. Array, can you please explain about what is the meaning of ordered inserts? Ordered insert or bulk insert. What is the meaning of ordered insertion? Okay, ordered property. When we require to use, can you please explain? Like maybe a chance to ask this type of question in the interview room. So how you can use? Already I told, right? Let me cross check. db dot cars dot insert many, insert or insert, either insert or insert many, no problem at all. Let me take insert only. Let me take insert. Here I'm trying to take underscore id is so now observe that 100 I'm taking, 100 I'm taking, underscore insert under like I is Innova, okay, comma I means Innova I'm taking, Innova like next and after that, okay, this is the first document, this is the first document. Now my second document, now the second document is, observe carefully, okay sir, here let me take a 200, okay, here also 200 I'm trying to take, 200 I'm trying to take. Next can you please tell any other car? R means ridge I'm taking, ridge I'm taking. Next and after that here, okay, if you consider one more, okay, just G for gidge, gidge is it there? Gidge is there, okay, like so now here see this one, sir, id is equal to 200 will be inserted, but whenever id is equal to 200 it won't be inserted, but id is equal to 300, is this one will be inserted or not, okay, I have to insert, then what I have to take is, so this array completed. Now here second argument we have to pass, can you please confirm what is that second argument, right? Order is false we have to take, yeah, please confirm. Any doubt? Any explanation is required? If I'm taking like this, now how many documents will be inserted now? Yeah, in this case, how many documents will be inserted? How many documents will be inserted, right? Documents will be inserted in the collection. Okay, so here the answer is two. Two documents will be inserted, sir. But the reason for that is, even though this insertion fails, even though this insertion fail, still rest of the thing is going to be inserted, because we maintain ordered is a false. Okay, let me cross check. Let me cross check here. Is it going to be happen or not? Okay, now observe that. Now observe that. Yes, here just observe. The problem is coming. The problem is coming while inserting at insert one. Okay, ridge. The problem is coming, sir. Ridge like. Now here number of records inserted two. Even though second fails, but the third one inserted or not. Yes, it is happened. Are you getting the point? Now let me cross check. So db dot find dot pretty. Yes, second one inserted. Second one inserted. I mean first one and the third one. Both the things got inserted. Any doubt? What is the meaning of ordered insert? What is the meaning of ordered property? Okay. Yes, Dheeraj, if you have exception handling mechanism in our programming, we can do everything. But a database side with the simple commands, we are not having any that option. Okay, at last, array which document insertion fails. That's what here you can see clearly. Any doubt? Okay. Now some student may ask the question, sir, suppose this document insertion fails. If this document insertion fails, then the rest of the documents should not be inserted. Already inserted documents, can you please roll back? Can you please roll back? Is it possible or not? So either all documents you have to insert or don't insert anything. Either all or none. Either all or none. I want. Is it possible or not? Is it possible or not? What answer we have to tell? Yes, it is possible. For that, one special concept is there, named with the transactions. Remember a bit very carefully, sir. Either all or none. Okay, like sir, here how to roll back, how to roll back already inserted documents already inserted documents in the case of any error in bulk inserts. In bulk inserts, how you can do that? For this, a good concept is there, sir, by using transactions. By using transactions, a very important concept. Anyway, so we will discuss in the next level a bit advanced. Okay, there I will talk about this concept. Clear, friends? Everyone in the position? Feeling what is the meaning of bulk ordered inserts? Okay, next there is a concept. Of course, this concept you people should aware. Sir, nothing. Transaction means either all or none. Either all or none. So if you want to do everything. If you don't want to don't do anything. Don't do anything. Have you observed, right? Either all or none. This type of behavior is called transaction. Best example, sir, just a matter of 1 minute. Best example, I want to transfer 10k transfer 10k from my account to my friend account or Sunny account. Okay, just assume that, sir. Transfer 10k from my account to Sunny account. This is about our requirement, right? So what I have to do? Debit debit 10k 10k from my account. Okay, observe carefully. Debit 10k from my account. Next, credit 10k 10k to Sunny account. Correct, right? These two operations should be happened or not? Okay, respond. These two operations should be happened or not? Yes, this is the operation one. Okay, this is the operation two. This is the operation two. Okay, like, sir, assume first one succeeded, sir. So 10,000 debited from my account. But second one fails. Fails. Then what about my situation? Have you observed? Second one fails. Then what about my situation? Is it always a bigger problem or not? Yes. So then where is my 10,000 money? Are debited from my account, but not credited. Credited. It's always a bigger problem. That's why if second one is not going to succeed, then revert back first one also. Automatically 10,000 should be credited back to your account. If you want, execute both the things. If you want, execute both the things. If you don't want, don't do anything. If you have such type of requirement, then happily we can go for transaction. Getting the point? What is the meaning of transaction? Okay, it's a separate concept. How you can implement transactions in the MongoDB, later point of time we will talk. Don't worry, sir. Clear, right? So what is the meaning of ordered inserts? So not required to keep much explanation about this terminology, right? Yeah. What is the purpose of ordered property? What is the purpose? What is the purpose of ordered property in insert operations? In insert operation. Next, in bulk insert, while performing bulk insert operation by using either insert many or insert method. By using either by insert many or insert method, if one document insertion fails, then what will happen? Then if one document insertion fails, is rest of the documents will be inserted? Is the rest of the documents will be inserted? Will be inserted or not? Will be inserted or not? What the answer, sir? What the answer? By default, will be inserted or not? By default, no. But we can customize this behavior. We can customize this behavior by using ordered property. Yeah, I hope you people can understand. Just a repetition. Ordered is equal to false. Sir, some people may ask, suppose I'm taking like this, right? Okay, now here just observe carefully. Ordered ordered is equal to true, I'm taking, sir. Ordered is equal to true, I'm taking. Can you please tell how many documents will be inserted in this case? Please confirm how many documents will be inserted in this case. Okay, assume that my collection is empty. Assume that my collection is empty. Assume cars collection is empty. Cars collection is empty. No record is already there. Can you please confirm how many records will be inserted in the collection? How many records will be inserted in the collection? Answer only one. Okay, just observe that. Answer only one. What is the reason for that? Is this record insertion fails because of that. This record insertion fails because of that. This one is not going to be executed. Let me show. Okay, this because explicitly I didn't use r dot is equal to true. Okay, db dot cars dot drop. Let me take this one, sir. Okay, well, now observe that ordered is equal to true. Ordered is equal to true. I got error. Sir, how many records inserted? Only one. Only one. db dot cars dot find. Yes, observe only one record is there because what is the default? What is the default value for ordered? True is the default value. Clear indication, right? Okay, even you are not taking like this also. How many records will be inserted, sir? Only one record. Okay, like suppose if I can take just for documentation sake, I'm taking so that you won't get any difficulty to understand. Okay, like assume 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 cars collection is empty. So now can you please tell how many records will be inserted now? How many records will be inserted now? Please confirm. So any explanation is required? Any explanation is required? Here just observe that. Next, assume assume cars collection is empty. Cars collection is empty. db dot cars dot how many records will be inserted in the collection, in the cars collection? So here order is false, I'm trying to take. Now what is the answer you are going to get, sir? Now what is the answer you are going to get, sir? Oi, order is equal to false. Order is equal to false. What is the answer we are going to get? 2 is the answer. That's it. Any explanation is required? Beautiful. Clear, right? What is the default behavior? What is the default behavior? What is the meaning of ordered inserts? Next, if you feel comfortable up to this, then I have to talk about next property related to the insert operation. Okay, next property related to the insert operation I want to go for. Can I do that? Yes. Here just observe what is the next property. It's also a bit advanced terminology. Okay, bit internal loophole you should aware, sir. What is the next thing is write concern property. Write concern property. Okay, what is the purpose of write concern? Write concern is similar to ordered property. Ordered is one property, another property is write concern. Okay, it is similar to ordered property. Okay, it is just again a new property. Like what is the purpose of this one, sir? Okay, very simple. Suppose assume that I'm trying to insert. Okay, db dot drop cars dot drop. Okay, 1 minute. db dot cars dot drop. I'm taking some. Okay, well, db dot cars dot insert one. I'm taking. Yeah, you can use any method, no problem, right? Insert one. I'm taking. Sir, here I means Innova. Okay, I means Innova. Like I'm taking, sir. Can you please confirm? Is it valid or not? Array, please confirm. Is it valid or not? Valid. So now I'm sending request to database server. Okay, from the shell, I'm sending the request to database server. Database server. Like now, 1 minute. Have a look once, sir. Here two applications are there. One is client application. One is client application. Second one is server. Okay, client means a shell. Second one is the server. Okay, DB server. Okay, database MongoDB server. This is client. Client itself is nothing but client itself is the shell MongoDB shell, like this I'm taking, sir. Now I'm sending the request to perform insert operation. Okay, take very special case, sir. I'm sending the request to perform insert operation. Okay, request to perform insert operation, to perform insert operation. Now, am I going to get the response or not? Please confirm. Respond. Am I going to get the response or not? Yes, I'm getting the response. In this response, what things will be there? What things will be there, sir? Acknowledgement. Okay, we will get a response. In that response, have you observed acknowledgement and object id we are going to get, correct, right? Respond acknowledgement and object id we are going to get. Let me just check this one. Let me check this terminology here. db dot insert one. I'm performing insert operation. What will happen now? My shell waiting for the response from the server. Now the server will provide response after performing insert operation, correct, right? After performing insert operation. Okay, like, yeah. Can I? Yeah, Sandeep is asking a small question. Sandeep, you have to refer the last videos carefully, man. So better to spend some time. Okay, now Sandeep is asking about, sir, cars collection already deleted na, sir, cars data drop, how you are going to insert? What the answer? What the answer? How you are going to insert? Because you deleted cards already. Still you are trying to insert. How it is going to be happen? It all right. So the collection will be created dynamically whenever we are trying to insert a document. Okay, well. Now here see this one. I'm trying to insert my shell waiting to get the response. But when server will provide the response, is it after insert operation or before insert operation? Respond. After insert operation or before insert operation? Yes, after insert operation. Okay, now observe that. Yes, shell provided response after insert operation. Okay, like, sir, in this context, are you seeing performance problem? Yes. The reason for that is shell has to wait until getting response from the user, from the server, correct? Okay, array server is the responsible to generate object id to insert the document. After that, the server is going to provide the response. Okay, now my question is, observe very carefully, sir. Array, why I have to wait? Why I have to wait? I don't want acknowledgement. I don't want acknowledgement. Okay, whether it's going to succeed or fail, no problem, right? Because lakhs of records I'm going to insert. One record fails, no issue for me. Okay, I don't want any acknowledgement. Let me allow to do my next query. Let me allow to do my next operation. How you can do that? Okay, by using which properties are? Write concern property. Sir, use case one where write concern is going to be helpful. Any doubt about this one? Respond clearly. Where? So I don't want acknowledgement. Okay, because I want to perform my next operation immediately, very speed. Then better to go for write concern property. Okay, like, so whenever we are performing insert operation, the shell so will wait, yeah, by default by default the shell or client will wait until getting acknowledgement, until getting acknowledgement until getting acknowledgement. Okay, the client will wait until getting acknowledgement. Okay, server will provide acknowledgement. server will provide acknowledgement. Server will provide acknowledgement after insert operation, successfully, or after completing insert operation, after completing insert operation. So this may reduce performance at client side. Correct, right? Array, I will ask, Shell, why you are not executing second command immediately? Why you are not executing second command immediately? Sorry, boss. I'm waiting to get the response from the server. Once I got the response from the server, then only I will execute the next command. So obviously, the number of commands which are going to be executed at client side is going to be reduced. Performance impact is there. Okay, so we can customize this behavior. We can customize this behavior, this behavior by using which property? I forgot. Please, anyone, can you please remind? We can customize this behavior by using which property? Respond. I forgot. Oi, type man. Each and every person, can you please type? Maybe a chance to ask what is right concern. The people who are experts in MongoDB, those people only aware about this internal loophole. Remember that. Okay, by using which properties are write concern, property. Okay, write concern property. Remember this one, sir. So how to specify? Okay, like very simple. db dot collection dot insert, db.collection dot insert, or insert one, insert mini, anything you can take, no problem, right? Okay, insert or insert one, anything we can take. Now the point is, here you have to take like this. You know this part. You know this part, sir. Now the second is a very important. How you can specify? Yes, the second also we have to specify. Sir, earlier here have you remembered? Order is a false I took. Have you remembered, right? Yes, in the second document, this is the in the second I took order is equal to false. But now I have to take what is the property? I respond. What is the property? Write a concern. But again, this value is another document. W is sir 0. Remember, right concern is equal to false. No. Is W is equal to 0. We have to provide. Sir, what is the meaning of 0? Sir, right concern 0 means I don't want any acknowledgement. That is the meaning of this one. Remember, I don't want any acknowledgement. That is the meaning of that, sir. Okay, so W is equal to 1 is the default value. It is the default value. It's the default value, and the client will wait until getting acknowledgement. Acknowledgement. Okay, W is 0. What is the meaning of this one, sir? It means client won't wait for acknowledgement. Client won't wait for acknowledgement. Yeah, automatically performance will be improved or not? Respond. Automatically performance will be improved or not? Yes. 0 means not wait for acknowledgement. 1 means wait for acknowledgement. Correct. As of now, just aware. So what is the default value? What is the default value? Default value for W is, what is the default value for W? W is 1. That is the default value for W, right? Okay, let me show, is it really happening or not? Okay, so just yes, it is a helpful for every insert operation. Okay, every insert operation, because write concern, still some more properties are there, not only W. Maybe in the next level, if you are talking about yes, what admin level, journal, J value, like multiple fields are there. That's why again write concern value is a JavaScript object. Just for simplicity sake, I'm adding only W property. Tomorrow we may talk about timeout value, next the journal value. Like there are n number of extra fields are there. Vidya. That's why instead of simply zero, we have another script, JavaScript object. Okay. Now let me check this one, sir. DB done. Okay. Here I'm taking B. B for BMW. Okay. B for BMW. B for BMW. Comma. I'm trying to take, sir. Comma. I'm trying to take. Okay. Here my requirement is here my requirement. Can you please guide how to write? How to write? Hey, respond. Write concern is, sir. Observe the naming convention is the very important, sir. W small, W small. Okay, like and the C capital. Now again W is its value is one I'm taking. Okay, listen, because I want to show default behavior. Either W is equal to 1 or not. I want to show it is the default behavior, right? Can you please confirm everything syntax wise? Is it okay? Is it okay, right? Syntax wise? Yes. Okay. Acknowledgement I got. So even you are not taking this one, the same thing is going to be happen. Clear indication that 1 is the default value. Okay. Now I'm taking same thing here. Okay. So just can you please tell any other H for Honda? I'm trying to take Honda, write concern. W is equal to 0. I'm taking, sir. Okay. 0 I'm trying to take. Okay. Can you please confirm? Can you please confirm? Now what is the answer we are going to get now? If I can take like this, what the answer we are going to get, right? Acknowledgement. Am I going to wait for acknowledgement? No acknowledgement. No acknowledgement. Directly, was acknowledged is the false. Have you observed? I'm not waiting. I'm not waiting for acknowledgement. I don't want acknowledgement, man. So just let me do. So super fast. So performance automatically is going to be improved. Yeah. Feeling comfortable? Yes, friends. So what is the purpose of write concern? How you can use write concern? Now the terminology is very clear for you people. This is the use case one. How to use? Can I go for another use case? So by explicitly saying write concern property, definitely the performance will be improved. Because the reason for that is acknowledged false. Here observe that. In this case, what is the difference between these two outputs? Have you observed someone is asking, Are here also I'm getting acknowledged is the false. Okay, like so what is the difference is in this case, this response is coming after completing insert operation. After completing insert operation with the corresponding object ID, boss, with this object ID, this document is inserted directly it is telling. But now my question is, okay, here just simply telling acknowledgement false. Boss, I'm not giving any confirmation about insertion of this one. So if it is going to take 10 minutes, but it is going to get only 1 minute because to perform insert operation, I'm not required to wait. Yeah, correct, Surikant Kumar. Clear, right? This is, yeah, exactly, performance tuning to improve performance. These type of properties also going to be helpful, but make sure if that insertion fails, what will happen? Okay, that such type of risk is also there. If you are not waiting for acknowledgement, if that insertion fails, there is no guarantee your record, your document will be inserted. That's why, so waiting is always recommended, which is the default behavior. But still, performance is the important. Lakhs of records I'm going to insert. If one or two records are not inserted, no problem. Like if you have such a type of requirement, happily you can go for, okay, but these type of things. Best example, share market, share market values are there. Okay, or otherwise share values, share market prices. So I want to insert for every minute I require to insert, assume that. For every second I require to insert share values, I require to insert, assume that. Okay, one insertion fails, no problem at all, because in the next second that value is not fixed, keep on changing, keep on update. Getting right? Keep on update. One update may not be available, but second update by default is available. Are you seeing the difference, right? Okay, so performance improvements, if lakhs of records, if lakhs of records, sorry, if lakhs of records are required to insert, records are required to insert, required to insert. If one or two, if one or two, two documents insertion fails, document insertion fails, still no problem, no problem. But performance is, but performance is important. But performance is important. Then right concern is the best choice. Then right concern is the best choice in this case. Clear, right? So even acknowledged is the false, but Honda is inserted or not inserted? Inserted. Even even okay, even acknowledged is false, even acknowledged is false, still document inserted, still document inserted. Okay, where is the proof for that? Some persons may ask, 1 minute, because someone having this doubt. Db dot cars dot find, cars, sorry, db dot cars dot find. Now observe, is your Honda inserted or not? Clear, right? Yeah. So what is the right concern? Use case one. Is that clear for you people? Any explanation is required? There is no way. Chaitanya Krishna Reddy. So if any error occurs in the middle of insertion, what will, how we will come to know? Sorry, because you didn't wait for acknowledgement, man. If you are waiting, then you will get to know whether it is succeeded or not. You didn't wait. I don't want to wait. Then you are not eligible to know the result. Okay. There is some incident is happening, man. Here there is some incident is happening. So if you want to know, if you want to know what will happen completely, you require to wait. Okay, you require to wait. Array, oh, you have some urgent work. You left. But I want to know what will happen. Sorry, not possible. Okay, later point of time, you have to query the database whether this record is available or not. That is the only way. Getting right? Okay. Next, right concern, another use case is also there, sir. Beautiful use case. Yes, take a bit very special care. 1 minute, friends. 1 minute. Okay. Now there is another utility is there, another use case is there. Right concern, another use case, right? Use case two. Okay, it is also very important, sir. Sir, here do you know? Assume that, assume that this is my shell. This is the shell. Now observe very carefully, sir. Most valuable, very important discussion I want to make. Sir, this is the shell or client I'm using. Do you know in the here this is my database. Assume that it is my database, right? Okay, it is the database. Now my question is, in real time, in production, is it recommended to depend on only one instance of the database? Is it recommended? Recommended. All my data stored in this database. In this database, right? All my customer information is available in this database. So it never recommended to depends on single database. What is the reason for that is, suppose something happened, this database got crashed. What will happen? Is it always a problem or not? Is it always a problem or not? Array, some earthquake happened. Now that database got crashed, or there is something happened. Okay, database got crashed. Virus attack, database got crashed. Then what about my customers? Is it always a problem, right? That's fine. That's fine. Compulsory. We require to maintain replicas. Remember this one, sir. Compulsory. We require to maintain replicas, right? Okay. So here, just I can use the word replica means a backup copy. Okay. Sorry. This is assume that this thing itself is backup one. Okay. Replica one. Assume that replica two. Okay. Assume that it is the replica two. Replica two like here one. Okay, replica 2 like so total how many database instances are there? Can you please confirm how many database instances are there? Two, total three. Sir, can I use the word, is it primary database? Yeah. Is it primary database or not? Yes, it is the primary database. Can I use the word, is it a replica one or not? Replica means what? Exactly duplicate copy. So this one is a replica 2. This one is a replica 2, sir. Replica 2. Now my question is, okay, so take very special care about this one, sir. Okay, what about my question is, in production, for every database we have to maintain cloned or replica databases. What is the reason for that? To handle fail over situations. Next up, for load balancing purpose also. Tomorrow, sir, heavy load is coming. Oh, lakhs of requests are coming. If you are depending on only one database, this database may be crashed. That's why. So I will configure one load balancer. This load balancer is going to distribute the request across multiple databases. Yes, there are two reasons why we are maintaining backup copy. One is fail over situations. If something goes wrong, yes, we should be in the position to recover. Second one is load balancing sake. Load balancing sake we can use. Up to this, any doubt? Up to this, any doubt? Can you please confirm? Yeah, clear, right? But here also, right concern, there is a reason is there. What is that? I will explain. So in production, for every database, for every database, we have to maintain cloned or cloned copy or cloned or replica database, because what is the, to handle fail over situations. Second one, for load balancing purposes. For load balancing purposes. For load balancing purposes. For these two reasons, compulsory we require to maintain clone copy or replica. Is it clear, right? Yes, friends. Any explanation is required? Okay, well. Now my question is, observe very carefully. I'm trying to insert a document, sir. This document I'm trying to insert this document. Assume that this document I'm trying to insert this document, sir. If I insert this document, if I'm trying to insert this document, so here I'm trying to insert. Now take very special care. Assume, 1 minute, just let me draw very neatly. This is my document. Assume that's all. It is the document or record. Okay, this is the document or record. Yeah, good. Document or record. Assume. So now my question is, if W here, just observe. If I send the insert operation, insert operation, in how many places this record should be inserted? Array respond. In how many places this record should be inserted? Please confirm. 3 places compulsory, because 3 databases are there, right? Oh, 3 places, Sandeep. 3 places it should be inserted. It should be inserted in 3 places, sir. Sir, now after inserting in the primary database, you can expect acknowledgement. Okay, this is one scenario. This is one scenario. You can expect acknowledgement. Okay, after inserting primary database. Okay, like next, after inserting, okay, a replica one also you can expect acknowledgement. Okay, you can expect acknowledgement here. Have you observed? You can expect 1 minute here. Yeah. Okay, now you can expect acknowledgement. Okay, after inserting in the second instance also. Okay, now, sir, I'm expecting acknowledgement after inserting, yes, third instance, I mean third replica 2 also. Then what you can take here is, yes, now observe this one, sir. This record or this document will be inserted here also, sir. High level admin related things I'm talking. Please, more patience level must be required from your side. Okay, now here take very special care. Okay, here in the case of replica replica our document is required to insert in multiple database instances, correct, right? Respond. Our document is required to insert in multiple database instances. Okay, like now, so after how many instant after inserting, sir, how many instances you are expecting acknowledgement? You can specify this property by using write concern. Remember carefully, right? Okay, array, I'm expecting acknowledgement only by inserting after inserting primary database. Oh, sorry, man. So at least one replica after inserting in the first replica and primary, I'm expecting acknowledgement like so. You can specify this by using write concern property. Well, getting the point? Respond. A single document is required to a single document is required to insert in multiple server instances, in multiple database instances like primary database, like a primary database, next replica 2, etc, like so. After inserting, how many instances you are expecting acknowledgement? That thing we can decide by using write concern property. Okay, after inserting, how many instances you are expecting acknowledgement? Okay, you are expecting acknowledgement. Okay, we can specify this property. By using, what is the property? We can specify this property by using write concern. We can specify this by using write concern property. Okay, take very special care. What is the meaning? How you can do that? Very simple, sir. Very simple. Now listen carefully, right? Okay, this one is document insertion, insert operation. Sir, I want acknowledgement after inserting primary database only. Then here W is equal to 1. Remember this. If W is equal to 1 means after completing insert operation in the primary database, I'm expecting acknowledgement. Database server will provide acknowledgement to the client after inserting, okay, in the primary database. It never going to worry about replica 1, replica 2. Okay, like, sir, I'm expecting acknowledgement, sir, after inserting in the primary database and in replica 1, then anyone can you please tell what is the value? W is 2, sir. Okay, W is 2. Next, after inserting in the primary database, in the replica 1, in replica 2, then only I'm expecting a acknowledgement. Then automatically W is the 3. Yeah, more security, more stability for W is the 3. But performance is going to be down. Remember this, performance is going to be down, but guarantee is there. Okay, if I can choose W is equal to 3. All the people are in the position to understand a bit more, okay, administration related things, but having idea is always recommended. Okay, like now here I will take okay, just diagram, don't worry, sir, just for my reference I'm taking here. Just observe carefully. If W is equal to 0, I'm taking, what is the meaning of this? If W is the 0, what is the meaning of this one? Please guide. W is the 0, what is the meaning of this? No, no acknowledgement, no acknowledgement. Okay, like we are not expecting any acknowledgement. Next, if W is equal to 1, if W is equal to 1 acknowledgement after, can you please confirm? Acknowledgement after inserting document in primary database, in primary database, okay, like next, if W is equal to 2, acknowledgement after inserting document in primary database under replica 1, and replica 1, under replica 1. Sir, if W is equal to 3, if W is equal to 3, sir, now acknowledgement after inserting document in primary database, in primary database, next replica 1 and replica 2. Wow, beautiful. Have you observed? This is more or less this is more or less admin related activity, but having idea is always recommended. Entire person may ask, Hari, can you please tell what is the right concern in MongoDB? Yes, you should be in the position to handle where we have this type of requirement. Clear? Are you feeling comfortable? Yes, friends. Now here just observe that. Now observe this one. Sir, I'm trying to take db.cars. Okay, let me take some other a for RD I'm taking. Next of right concern, W is equal to 2 3 I'm taking, sir. Means W is equal to 3 means 3 writes are required. Correct. Midun, 3 writes are required. In the first one, second one, third one. After writing 3 write operations, then only expecting acknowledgement. Okay, W is equal to 3. Now, can I take this one? Can I execute here? Anyone, can you please guide? Can I execute here? Yes. Can I execute this one? No. What is the problem? No, because you have only primary database. You didn't create replicas. Replica is not there. If the replica is not there, what is the meaning of 3? Immediately, MongoDB server will give left and right. Immediately, MongoDB server will give left and right. What is the reason for that? What is the reason? Reason for that is, array, replica is not there. Where is the question of after writing 3 instances, please give the acknowledgement? Meaningless. Remember carefully, sir, what is the error by default we are getting is, sir, this is uncaught exception. Can't use W greater than when a host is not replicated. Have you observed? More meaningful error? Yes, friends. More meaningful error. Yes. Is it possible to create replica DB in our system? Why not? Why not? We can do that. Maybe more or less admin related. Let me check. If possible, definitely I will explain. Don't worry. Okay. So to use W greater than 1, host should be replicated. To use W greater than 1, replica copies should be available. Should be available already. That's all. This is what is the write concern, where we can use write concern property. Any doubt about this? Ordered inserts, write concern, these are type of things you have to aware. Next, how many max replicas you can create, that depends on your requirement. Usually 2 or 3. More than that, not recommended. Because if you are creating 10, then it's a bigger problem, right? Performance is going to be down. Every insert operation, every delete operation, every update operation required to talk about these many instances, unnecessary performance is going to be down. That's why usually 2 or 3 is the best. Next, sir, write concern is applicable for any write operation, like insert, update and delete in the document. I want to delete the document. I want to delete the document, like insert many, sir, for any insert. Have you observed, right? For any insert, any update, any delete, for all these, for it's applicable for any write operation. Clear, right? In case of insert many, do you have to use W is equal to 0? No, we are not required to use second argument W. We have to pass. Here have you observed? This is array of documents, and then second thing we require to pass. In the case of insert many, we are not required to specify for every record. Okay. Can I go to the next one? Yeah, friends, can you please confirm? Yeah, sir, there is one small thing I want to explain for you people. Okay, just atomicity. This part we will take care in the next video. Don't worry, with that it is going to be completed.